everyone, this is Tina Valdez with Experience Travelin. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to come to you and share with you a margarita recipe in time for Cinco de Mayo. I'm going to go ahead and share with you a watermelon margarita that I hope you will find easy. And of course there's many different types of margaritas out there, but we thought I'd share this one with you and we'll get started. What I first did is I went ahead and I got a small watermelon and went ahead and cubed 2 cups worth of watermelon, and as you can see, here's some small cubes. And again, it needs to be seedless. This one unfortunately has a little more seeds than I anticipated, but I've gone ahead and cubed about 2 cups worth. I went ahead and pureed it already in my mixer. So at this point, I've already also cooled down my simple sugar, which is a 1/2 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of sugar, and then it zest in some orange, and they actually, you cut in slices or you can actually zest it with a zester so you can get some fine ones if you'd like. So this is cooled down and I'm going to go ahead and pour it in with my watermelon mixture. Yummy. Let me go ahead and let that continue emptying there. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of lime juice. And then I'm adding 3/4 cup of Jose Cuervo's tequila. 3/4 cup. We're going to mix that together. I'm going to go ahead and stir this together. And we're doing this on the rocks, so I don't have crushed ice. We'll be using just regular ice. Once you've done that, then you'll go ahead and take a lime, cut it in half, which I've done already here, and I've taken an edge of it and rub it around on your glass. You can do sugar or salt, but I've got 1 glass already with sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and get the edges with the sugar. And then you want to add some ice in both of the glasses. We'll have a margarita on the rocks. And then we'll go ahead and pour this. And then you'll take some lime, garnish it. And there you have it. You have a watermelon margarita ready for Cinco de Mayo, and cheers to everyone. Thank you.